Hey there, everybody, and welcome to this AP Language and Composition course icon overview. Again, my name is Mr. Deary, and the point of this short video today is to walk you through some of the common icons you're going to be seeing in the Empower system. So that way, when you see these images, you will have a quick idea of what to expect before you click on it, whether it be work or be resources or something else. So let's go ahead and begin here by taking a look at three icons that you're going to see to indicate what type of work or what type of resource you're going to see. This is going to be the book, the pen, and the tools. The book icon is going to be used to indicate any type of reading activity. In a following video, we're going to show about how our course is broken down between reading and writing weeks. And just about anytime you see this, it's going to be a playlist of activities or resources related to those reading skills that you'll be focusing on in a given week. The pen icon then is for writing resources or writing activities that we're going to be doing within a week or 2 weeks of a writing block. Those activities under there are going to be related to how you can translate the skills you've learned about reading into how you write throughout the course. And then finally, the tools is going to be more of a resource and external link indicator. So when we go over and we talk about different types of writing systems or different models of taking notes or just tools and tips to help you as you're navigating the course, that's what's going to be found under the tool icon. Yes, some of these will most likely be specific to writing or reading skills, and most often you'll be able to find them underneath the corresponding reading or writing list. Additionally, all resources, once we finish a unit, will be placed in the resources playlist, which we'll be able to take a look at in another video. Moving on to the action icons, we have the paper, the quiz, and the miscellaneous, the beach ball. The paper icons will be the one that you're going to see the most, as it indicates an activity that we have to do within Canvas. I'm going to walk you through, if you haven't already done so in the earlier part of the course orientation, what those activities look like and how you can understand what you need to do, what steps are involved, what resources are associated, and how you can do so effectively. The next one, the quiz icon, is, surprise, a quiz. In AP Language and Composition, quite often, I am not going to give you scored quizzes. These are going to be checks to make sure we're up on our vocabulary, we're up on our different names and acronyms. It might be a link outside to a My AP quiz as well, or something else just to check in. When you see this icon, don't panic. Your grade is not in jeopardy. It is my way of saying, hey, when you're pushed, when you're tested, when you're stressed, what do you remember? The beach ball and miscellaneous is a miscellaneous action step item. You're going to see a lot more of these in the early part of the course, I would imagine, than you would in the later. This is going to be something like the Remind sign up or a sign up for the AP Classroom or some other resources that you might have to do externally from either Empower or from the normal Google signups that we do. And the last one I want to show you, last two, excuse me, are the hard hat and the AP. Now I have mentioned, I'm going to go backwards here. The AP things might be linked under a beach ball or under quiz, but anything that's going to take you to or require you to do something on the My AP Classroom will have that icon. So most likely all external sources going to My AP will be that icon right there. If you see it under the miscellaneous, that is just a typo most likely, and I apologize. The last one, and probably one of the most important you want to know for each unit, is going to be the hard hat icon here in orange. This is going to be what Empower calls a culminating activity. You probably know this as a unit final. This could be an essay. This could be a test. For most instances, especially early on, it's going to be the culmination of a few days worth of work that you're already doing anyway within your activities, and this is where you would submit that activity. So when you see the orange, that's the last thing that you're going to do before you complete the unit, and it will almost always follow the writing units. Now, different icons might be added throughout the school year as we move into this. This is brand new territory for all of us. I want to make sure that our visuals are things that you understand. So a lot of these new icons might be suggested by you. In any case, let's take a couple moments here to do a quick review. So your first question, what do the paper, pen, and toolbox icons mean? Correct. Those are going to be the ones, hopefully you just answered correctly, that are going to show you what type of activity you're going to be working on. Second question, the orange hard hat, you will probably see that at what point throughout a unit? Yes, again, that is going to be the culminating activity at the end of a unit. If you've added most likely after writing, you are correct there as well. Finally, the most important icon that you need to remember to show you have an activity there is which of the following? The pen with the paper and the blue background is correct there. So a quick little check there. If you didn't get those all right, that's fine. You just saw them for the first time. But as we move through this course and as we move through the semester, make sure you're taking the time to visually acquire the knowledge to know what is what. With that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.